Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hamilton Beach Electric Coffee Grinder. I love this grinder. I always try and research when I'm interested in an item, and this grinder was no exception. I picked it because the cup at the top of the grinder comes out, making it so much easier to clean than other grinders that are one piece. What I didn't realize was that you can wind the cord up and store it inside the pull-out base. I love this feature because I wanted to sit on the counter next to my coffee machine, but I didn't want another long cord making my counter look messy. You only have to pull out as much as it takes to reach the wall and the rest stays raveled inside the grinder. The grinding chamber removes for easy filling of whole beans or spices. Once finished, remove the chamber for easy cleaning. You can grind up to 9 tablespoons of beans, enough for 12 cups of coffee. Hamilton Beach custom grind coffee grinders are ideal for precision coffee grinding, giving you the exact texture you want every time. Well-defined fineness settings, perfect results and clear cup markings ensure meticulous measuring. A Hamilton Beach coffee grinder is easy to use and clean. Our second best electric coffee grinder is Krupp's Precision Grinder. It's smaller than some other higher quality burr grinders, which actually led me to choose this one over the taller OXO Brew Conical and Baratza Encore. And it's happily less expensive. Personal preference to not have my grinder bigger and taller than my coffee maker. You can also push the start button again mid-grind and it stops grinding. Metallic flat burr coffee grinder provides full control over the grind size and uniform grinding for the full coffee flavor. 12 grind fineness settings plus intermediary settings for precise grinding. Adjust the fineness level for any type of coffee, from fine for espresso to coarse for French press. Removable top burr with embedded cleaning brush for the effortless cleaning. Third choice in our list is Hario Ceramic Coffee Mill. Good materials, the plastic bits feel quite sturdy, not your standard cheap plastic. Easy to take apart and maintain clean. Gives relatively consistent grinds to brew a decent cup of coffee. Grinds 25 grams in a manageable amount of time. For industrial uses, this hand grinder has been designed by Hario to provide coffee lovers with an inexpensive means to have freshly ground coffee even while traveling with a light load. New and improved with reinforced hexagonal adapter for increased grind consistency and reduced wear. Ceramic mill is easily adjusted for right grind coarseness, providing a consistent grind for perfect fresh coffee. Small, lightweight and slim design makes for easy storage and travel, can be stored without handle. Easy to read measurements up to 2 cups of storage. Stepped grind adjustment mechanism is easy to use and change. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Baratza Coffee Grinder. Grinds beans pretty fast. Coffee has been tasting fantastic since buying this. I'm coming from a blade grinder and have been using a manual burr grinder, but have found the effort a little much for a daily coffee for 2. It runs far quieter than the cheaper. I very much appreciate the build quality of this grinder. The reason I chose the Baratza is because it's repairable. Baratza will send you any part, no matter how small, so you can fix your own grinder for a modest cost. Another good thing about this grinder, it does not clog as easily as some of the competition, and it is quite easy to clean when needed. I've never tried any other electric coffee grinder, but I can tell you how much I like this one. It does an excellent job of grinding whole coffee beans quickly. I don't have the problem others seem to have with coffee dust flying all over the place. I discovered that if you put 1 or 2 drops of water into the hopper, you won't have a problem with static. Also, leaving the coffee in the bottom catcher for 1 or 2 minutes settles the ground coffee. I don't see any need to buy a higher priced grinder when this one does such a perfect job. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best electric coffee grinder list is Breville BCG820 VSS Smart Grinder. This is an excellent, albeit expensive, coffee grinder. It has way more adjustments than I will ever use, but it has many features that make it a perfect choice for me. It doesn't generate an excessive amount of static and spew grounds all over our countertop even when using a stainless steel coffee cup for the grounds receptacle. The grounds are uniform, and once you adjust it to your preferences, you push one button and it does the job. The Smart Grinder Pro lets you grind directly into the portafilter, an airtight container, gold tone filter basket, or paper filter. The choice is yours. The Smart Grinder Pro pairs well with Breville's dual boiler, the ultimate machine for the at-home barista who demands precise control over every element when taking beans to their fullest potential. A clear and concise LCD screen shows grind setting, grind time, and number of shots or cups you have selected. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.